This brilliant 67 Camaro is a head-turning stunner that mixes 383 cubic inches of proven Chevy small block with a tough Muncie 4-speed and choice aesthetics. And if you're ready to feel the summer breeze behind the wheel of a storied Detroit legend, now's your chance. Not far removed from a detailed ground-up restoration, Red 2-Stage centers painted rally stripes under thick clear that's so smooth it could be described as wet look. A stylish Rally Sport grille hangs a bright SS350 emblem between electric headlights, Rally Sport parking lamps, and a requisite D80 chin spoiler. And a D80 deck lid spoiler shades tasteful taillights, Rally Sport reverse lamps, and an SS fuel cap. Open this Camaro's doors and you'll find a stylish black houndstooth interior that's been lovingly restored. French-stitched bench and bucket seats provide comfy seating for four. A monochromatic dash hangs rebuilt gauges next to an upgraded AM/FM radio. Clean carpet frames a stainless trimmed console that's finished with a polished Hurst shifter and 3-pack accessory gauges. And the driver turns a reproduction rally wheel. Jump behind the wheel and you'll command 383 cubic inches of buff Chevy small block that's been polished, rebuilt, and fitted with modern Vortec heads. When the small block jumps to life, it spins torque through a proven Muncie 4-speed, which twists power to a 10-bolt axle. A tough-looking muscle car that wraps a tough drivetrain in radiant paint and timeless trim? What more could you ask for? If you're one of the many enthusiasts looking for a fun classic that's unrelentingly cool, here's your ticket. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.